Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll design in a fruit basket in NX Unigraphics with very simple tricks. I'll show you the design. This is the fruit basket design. So now we are in the sketcher screen. Go to data plane, select this plane 150 OK at distance. Now we'll draw in a sketch on this plane, circle of 150 diameter. Finish. Now we'll again draw in a sketch on this plane, circle of 300 diameter. Cancel, finish. Now we need to draw an arc from this circle to this circle. For that we need to have an intersection point. So again go to sketch, select this plane, press OK. Now you can see an intersection point. Click this curve. You can see in a symbol over here, intersection point. If you click on this, it will go in this direction, reverse direction. Apply. Same way here, apply. Cancel. Now we'll draw an arc. Finish. Now we'll use an option. We'll use this command revolve. Select this curve. Select vector. Select this vector. Body type instead of solid, sheet. Apply. Now you can see that it is almost in a shape of in a fruit basket. You can hide this plane. Cancel. Hide. This also you can hide. Hide. Now to bring the design of this net, you can go this option, that is the menu option, insert, derived curve, isometric curves. So you can select this face, so automatically it will come. So if you want both this curves, you can see U and V, so you can see this much. You can increase the number from here. So now we'll select only U, that's sorry, V, 15 curves, that's okay, apply. Now this curves we can use the option command called tube. You can search on tube. Click on this curve to diameter, outer diameter, apply. Again click on this. If you click multiple curves, it will not work. It will show you this error gap in strings. So you have to select one by one. So now I'll be selecting this one, choose diameter, apply. So each curve will be selecting it, and we'll use this command tube. It's done. Now we'll also use this curve also. So go to surface, more option, tube, or you can search from here also, tube. So I'll select this curve, apply. Now I'll pattern this curve. I'll go to pattern feature. I can press this control, automatically it will be selected. Circular layout, specify vector, that is parallel to, specify point, click on the plus and automatically it will come. Count and span 15, 360 degree, put it 11. Okay, so now we need two surface here to use this intersect. So we'll use offset surface. Surface. Click on this. Don't change, keep it on 0 and press OK. Now we'll use this intersect. We'll select this body. Now we'll select this tube curves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Same way for this curve also. We'll go intersect. We'll use this body. And again we'll select this body. That's okay. Now you got in this net shape. You can fill this surface by clicking fill surface. open surface. Okay. To get this grip, you can use this command instant apply. Again, you can use this command surface, that is tube, to get a grip on this fruit basket. You can put it 7, apply. This is the one way, or you can use it in the different way also. One moment, I'll delete this command. You can go to menu, insert, flank surface, law extension, select this curve, select face, click on OK. Again go to menu, insert, flank surface, law extension, select this curve, select face, select this face, use this direction. Instead of 20, keep it at 10. Okay. Now use sew command, SEW. Press this one, press this face, OK, and again go to sew command, press this and press this. OK. Now what you can do is that you can use this edge blend to avoid sharp corners. Here you can use it. That is, you can use it 7. Apply. Here again you can use it. Edge blend. 7. Okay. So this is the fruit basket, and we can change the color. Control J. Right color. Okay. So with this simple trick, we have designed the fruit basket. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care.